Hello, I'm Riya Saha, a student at British College, currently in level 6. Today I'm here to present my ASE assessment demonstration. So let's start with my email address. So this is my email address, my surname Shah, my first name Riya, my student ID number is 77356825. I'm currently studying BSc level 6. Tutor group, I'm in group 2, which is Dukan. I understand that I must upload my full code to the upload link on my Bicket by the deadline. If I do not upload by the deadline, regardless of GitHub commits, I will be subject to a late penalty. Yes. I'm recording a YouTube demo showing this form on the screen and showing and explaining my code with each question, and I will submit this form. Yes. I understand that if my YouTube demo video is over 15 minutes long, I will have to verify my YouTube account. Yes. I will I'll put chapter marker in my video for each question. Yes. I'll read the assignment hand in instruction before asking question. Answers to how much you do the above are there, for example. Yes. I have used the latest Boost program found in GitHub, and I have checked that I have the latest version of Boost DLL, as you can see in my assignment folder, especially within the dependencies and assemble directories. You can see the Boost installed. You can also see the latest version of Boost here. So version control, GitHub username. My version control GitHub username is Riya, as you can see here. Now I'll be copying this in my form. What is the link to your repo must be in ASE GitHub Classroom. The link to my repo is located in the classroom under the ASE demo assignment section. This is my repo link which I'll be copying in my form. Paste link to your documentation site on GitHub. When clicked, it should show your full documentation. I have created a repo for my documentation on GitHub. So here is the link, and under API you can see where I have carefully documented every aspect of my code, including all commands. Now I will be pasting this link in my form. Total number of commits by the part 2 deadline. So let's check in my GitHub. As of now, I have completed a total of 33 commits in my code, as you can see here. At least 5 more documented commits. Yes, as you can see here, I have total of 33 commits. Updated readme MD with full details. Yes, I have already updated my readme file. As you can see here, I have put done for all the checkpoints that has been completed. So uses of interfaces to be used for classes where appropriate. So in your code and explain how you have used it. Okay, so let's see it. So inside my code, the interfaces, as you can see at my my app parcel. I have I have used the iParcel for my app parcel, and also I have used iCanvas for my canvas. So I have already implemented the interface. So yes, for the unit test you should have a clearly named unit test for each of your classroom. Unit test for all my classes, so in your code. So this is my unit test folder. As you can see here, these are my test cases. So yes, unit test documented with XML comments clearly showing its purpose. So in your code. As you can see here, inside the test project, I have already added the XML file and describe what test does. So it's a yes. Unit test run and pass. So I'm running in the test framework, giving all the green ticks. Okay, so let's run the test. So you can see here all 31 tests has passed. So that's a yes. Design patterns, factory design pattern used for command generation. So it in your code and explain how it works. So yes, let me show you. So let me show you how I have implemented command factory. So as you can see inside my app command factory, when the code is entered, relevant function is called. So that has been done, so it's a yes. Additional design patterns, so any other design pattern and explain what they are. No, I have not done any additional patterns, so that's a no. What is your additional design? I have not done. Implementation details before moving on, so that you have got the latest Boost DLL library installed. So the output from Boost about method which reports its version. If you have totally rewritten the library, then just say so. So what I have done is the Boost method is automatically called when the project is terminated. As you can see here, variables replace int class, so it's running Boost example programs. Two variables, one unrestricted ints Boost, and put an image of it running in the same directory as the Boost program. So the program running and show your code. So okay, at first we need to run the program. So this is our form. First of all, it's unrestricted int. So let's get over to my repos, and here are the Boost example program. So we need unrestricted int. So let me copy the command and paste in my form. So this is the output. So now for the test image. So this is the test image I have done earlier. So let me copy the link and paste it in the form. Now replace real class, so it running boost example program. Two variables, one unrestricted reals boost, and put an image of its running in the same directory as the boost program, so the program running and show your code. So now again let's go to my repos. Unrestricted real. So let me copy the code. First of all, let me clear my form. As you can see here, it clearly works, so it's a yes. Now let me show you the example I have done earlier. So let's copy this link and paste here. Replace array class, so it running boost example program. Two variables, one unrestricted array boost, and put an image of it running in the same directory as the boost program, so the program running and show your code. So this is the unrestricted array which I have done earlier. So this is the link. Let's copy it and paste it. If, while, and for. While working unrestricted, so it running boost example program. 3 ifs and loops. One unrestricted while boost, and put an image of it running in the same directory as the boost program, so the program running and show your code. So for this, let's again go to the repos. So first of all, let me copy the code. Let me clear the form first. As you can see, it's clearly work. Now let me show you the unrestricted while, which I have done before. So this is the link for this one. It does work, and the link of my repo is here. Now let's run the unrestricted for. First of all, let me copy the code. Let me clear the form first. As you can see, this also works. Now let me show you the unrestricted for, which I have done before. So let me paste my repos link here. So now for the unrestricted if, let me copy this and paste in my form. Before that, let's clean this. As you can see, this also worked. Now for the link, I've already copied the link. Now let's paste our link here. Else working unrestricted, else will work without restriction, so you will have to show and explain how you did it. So now let's again go and see the code of if else statement. So I'll be pasting here the code of if else statement. So as you can see here in this code, we have if else condition, so that the condition to run if is if control is greater than 10. So if section run it control is greater than 10. So for else section to run, the control have to be less than 10. So let's make control 5. I have already made it, and see if it's run. So as you can see, it's run now. So for the I have already copied the link. So this is the yes. Replace method class, so it running boost example program for methods, and put an image of it running in the same directory as the boost program, so the program running, and show your if class. So for that, let's go to my repos and method. So let me copy this code. First of all, let me clear my canvas. As you can see, this is my unrestricted method. So I'll be copying the link and we'll be pasting it here. Yes, it works. Have you done anything that is additional and substantial? This is not just more of the same, but something challenging, such as a web version or a different type of output, such as a text-based graphic, or added other boost command that do something programmy, not other graphical shapes, etc. Replace partial stored program, done everything from scratch, but use proper extensible structure, interface, dependency injections, etc. No, I have not done anything extra. Not done anything extra, so no. Facilities use, explain facilities and libraries that you have used. If you have used an AI, you must discuss it here. Put none if nothing was used in each of this section. If you put none and it is found that you have, then plagiarism will be investigated. AI use none. Library use other than standard library. No. Other non-standard facilities used, so I have used docfx for my additional non-standard facilities. Any other comments? No. I now understand that I must upload my code to my bucket. I understand if I don't submit my code before the deadline to my bucket without accurate mitigation, then I'll receive a late penalty. I must submit this form. You will receive a message here that your response has been recorded. Please read the hand-in instruction on my bucket and see the flexible hand-in policies. It is all in the assessment folder. Yes, so this was my demonstration. Thank you.